Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am very happy to see that the two moral stories which I uploaded some days back has got good success. And seeing this kind of success, I have decided to upload one more video, and in this video also I will tell you a moral story. And this moral story is very interesting because it tells us the nature of human beings. Because as you know that we human beings are fully engrossed in this material world, we don't care a fig for the emotions of other people, and we want to just hoard money. We want to get rich by hook or by crook, and we are fully indulged in ill practices in our life, which has made our life absolutely miserable, and we do not want to get rid of these ill practices. So as a result of that, we have become absolutely good for nothing. So this story is very interesting, and this story tells us that even an animal is far more superior to us when it comes to showing loyalty to others. An animal is also far more loyal than human beings because we are not loyal to others, and we do not want to care a fig for the emotions of other people. So what happened? It so happened that once a man went to a river in the evening time. So that river was situated in the middle of a forest. So when he went there, he started feeling thirsty, and while feeling thirsty, he went to the river and he started drinking the water of river. The time was 4 o'clock in the evening. Suddenly, what happened? A lion also came there to drink water because it had just eaten its prey and it was fully fed up, so it wanted to drink water. And the lion also started drinking water there. Seeing that lion drinking water in the same river, the man started feeling frightened, and suddenly he left that place and climbed on the nearby tree. He climbed on the nearby tree. So the lion also did not pay heed to that man because it had just eaten its prey. So the lion thought that let him go to the tree and I will eat him when he comes down. So the lion also went under the tree and sat there, thinking that it might eat the man when he came down the tree. So on that tree, a monkey was also lived. A monkey also lived there on the tree. So what happened? The man told monkey that why don't you help me? Now, if at night I sleep, then I might fall on the ground, and the lion will easily eat me because I will be in my sleep and I may fall on the ground. So why don't we make a compromise that you wake up for 4 hours, thereafter I will wake up for 4 hours, so that in that way we will look after each other in respective 4 hours. So the monkey readily accepted that proposal, thinking that I must help this poor man. So at night, first the man slept for 4 hours. Now it was a man's turn to sleep for 4 hours, and monkey kept awake. So at night, the lion told monkey that you are my companion, you are also an animal like me. Why don't you help me, and why don't you push that man down so that when it comes down, I will eat him and you will be free. I will not eat you. But the lion refused to accept that proposal, saying that I have promised to this man and I will not break my promise at all, because I am a loyal animal. I will not break my promise. So keep your, you can do whatever you want. I will not throw this man from the tree. Now when it came to the turn of a man to wake up, and when monkey slept on the tree, what it so happened, the lion told the man that why are you so much worried about this animal? Why don't you push him down the tree, so that if he comes down, I will eat it and I will set you free. So the man readily accepted that proposal and kicked the monkey to in order to throw it on the ground. So as you know, monkeys, whenever they sleep on the tree, they twist their tails in the branch of a tree. So suddenly if they inadvertently fall on the ground, their twisted tail might help them to not to fall on the ground. So the man kicked the monkey, but monkey did not fall on the ground because it had twisted its tail in a branch. So the monkey kept hanging and also suddenly came on the branch of the tree, and it did not tell anything to the man at night. Now in the morning, the lion left that place thinking that the both monkey and man have made the promises, so they will not come down and I am not going to wait for them anymore, and the lion left the place. And when but at that time monkey told the man that you have cheated me, you did not fulfill your promise. So don't ever tell anyone that your ancestors are monkeys, because we will feel insulted, and because we will feel insulted thinking that our descendants are such mean people. So this story tells us that we have become so selfish and totally engrossed in this material world. So we will have to turn over a new leaf so that we may become a refined people. So we must take a leaf out of this moral story that even animals have far more trust than we human beings. Thank you.